Hey guys, for sake of reality here, in this video we'll be integrating the climbing vaulting component into the survival game kit version 2 and tactical shooter kit integration. This shouldn't be too long of a process, so without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is migrate a copy of the files from 5.3 plus over to your survival game kit and tactical shooter kit project. And once you do that, you can pause the video there and do that, but once you do that, you'll want to come into your plugins and search for motion warp. And then click yes. And it's going to ask you to restart, so you want to click restart. I'll just pause the video until mine restarts. Okay, so once that's done, we'll want to go into our climbing component and demo, character, mannequin, and meshes. Then select the SK mannequin and delete that. We're going to select the survival game kit 2 mannequin and replace references. And save. So that'll put all the animations over to the survival game kit 2 skeleton. Now we want to open up our survival game kit character. And we're going to add the motion warping component and climbing component. And once you have those, you compile, save. Mine's already set to automatically saving on success. Now we can set up our inputs. So we'll quickly come into our character for survival game, or for the climbing component. And we can set up our inputs, go into our inputs and we'll grab the spacebar input, paste that in here. And if you get this error, that's just because the climbing component right here, the names are different, so when you imported it didn't get the new name, so you can just drag this over and replace it with this one file. And that should be it. You can just go into the demo level for the climbing component, do a quick test. I'm going to pause this because I think it's going to just load up some things once the map loads. Yeah, textures. Maybe they're not because it didn't take too long. And lobby character, those are two things that you can remove. They're not in use in this project anymore. I'll go over removing those in one of the future videos when I go over cleanup and fixing up some issues that we may have. So you can play, you can click play in editor, but we actually want to make sure to go to our world settings and click the SGK game mode so that we actually get our survival game kit character in. And we can run over to basically anywhere. I'm going to try to get to the vaulting spots. Probably should have came here sooner, or moved the camera over here. And if I can get some sprint back. One second there. Alright, so one quick adjustment we're going to want to do is come into our character, go to the climbing component, actually we'll do it directly in the climbing component. So you want to come to the climbing component, blueprints, climbing system, and then we'll search for speed in the climbing component, and we'll select sprint speed and set this to 500. And now we should be able to sprint fault. Go. There we go. Now it's faulting correctly, and the speeds are being set correctly. So that'll be everything for this video. If you have any issues or questions, feel free to join the Discord and ask about those. And thank you, and I'll see you all in the next one.